Da 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 da. Alright. Da 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 da. Alright, I got it. Yeah. Time behind bars couldn't change me. I came out better than before. And shout out to my family that raised me for putting money on their phones. And shout out to the homies for the 3-ways. And my girl looking out with the J-Pace. Real spill, it'd have been hard time if I had to serve it all on my own. Remember days in the courtroom, everybody find a seat. I come walking through the door in my jumpsuit. Sure wish I was free. But some things never go as we plan to. By the judge trying to cover up my tattoos. I swear to God, if my fam wasn't here, I'd knock the judge out of his seat. That's why I say, and this is family over everything. Real family know what I mean. Hell nah, it'll never change. And I hope that you feel the same. All I know is the kid won't forget you. All the things and the shit we done been through. I ain't gon' let you down. Yeah. I came up on the radio with some headphones too. I hit the yard first thing in the morning, playing out the same tunes. Running around wondering when I'll get out. Help me out when the kid feeling stressed out. And I pray that one day soon I'll be running back home to you. I'll be sitting on the top rack, waiting on the count. CEOs drove by my cell door. Hope he passed the mail out. Cause I've been waiting on some shit since the last week. Food gone in my locker looking empty. Real shit, it'd have been hard time if I had to serve it all on my own. That's what I say. And this is family over everything. Real family know what I mean. Hell nah, it'll never change. And I hope that you feel the same. All I know is the kid won't forget you. All the things and the shit we done been through. I ain't gon' let you down. Da 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 da. I ain't gon' let you down.